Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Von Duprin number 900410 SP28. This is the KR9854 and KR9954 Mullion mounting package, and this is going to give you everything you need to install the mullion. Why might you want this? Because you may have a mullion that's existing and you've lost some parts. Maybe part of it has been removed, lost, otherwise no longer available. You're going to get obviously the large bolts to get the, well, there is a list, I should say, below this video, a bill of materials that will show the 4 5/16 1 1/4 flathead machine screws, and those are going to be to hold the top footing into the header. And we're also going to have the 832 by 3/8 socket set screw. The role of the socket screw is to improve the margin, or I should say reduce the play in the installed mullion. And there is a link below this video to installation instructions. If you find that your mullion is too loose, you'll back it out, remove or unthread the set screw about a half of a turn, reinstall, and try, and you continue to modify the projection of the set screw in the top fitting so that you have a very nice installation that does not give any slop or play, because obviously you have exit devices locking to the mullion. You've got 4 832 by 1/4 inch flat undercut head socket screws, and those are going to be down below that you can see.
I'm not sure I understand.
In your cylinder housing to lock in the back plate. That will be, of course, included with the mullion itself. Then, continuing on down through the list of the material, we're going to have 2 of your 325 sex bolts. That's obviously going to be for clamping it down to the mullion itself. You'll get 2 of those, along with the Allen wrench while we're at it. And that'll be important. And that's that is a Torx style, or I should say a pin style. So it's a hollowed out end on your Allen wrench. Going to have your cylinder lock nut, your cylinder lock washer as well. Again, your hex key, which will be here. You're going to get 2 1/4 by 1 inch flathead security screws as well. That's going to be working in conjunction with the sex bolts. And the last thing would be the 2 1/4 by 3/8 panhead screws, and those are going to work on your upper bracket so as to connect it to the fitting onto the header. That's where you're going to use those. And that brings us through to conclusion on everything that's in the package. Again, there is a link below this video to the installation instructions for the entire mullion, which are really handy so that you can get an overview of what everything looks like and how it's all being installed. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Von Duprin products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog.
Have a good one.
I'm quite partial to Von Duprin because you're dealing with not only the best technical support that can be provided when it comes to grade 1 exit devices, but also an incredibly deep inventory. So when you elect to invest in Von Duprin, you'll find published documentation on how to rebuild the material, such as evidenced with this mullion fitting package or the screw pack, technical support behind it, published diagrams on everything, installation instructions, and really deep inventory. This is a very typical stock item to be able to ship out immediately, so you can continue to get useful service out of the significant investment in exit device hardware. If you have any questions on the Von Duprin 900410, mullion mounting package, and they have finishes applied to them. That's because the head of the screws, are exposed. They call this one 32D, but it would be compliant with your sprayed aluminum steel mullions. Any questions on this or any other Von Duprin product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.